We're told to use partial products to multiply 67 times 9. And so they wrote 67 times 9 here, and they broke out some of the steps. And so let's just think about what's happening. It looks like step 1, we're doing a partial product of 9 times something. And then step 2, we have another partial product of 9 times 60. So this right over here, the 9 times 60, which is equal to 540, that's when essentially you took the 9 and you multiplied it times the 6 tens right over there. So that's 9 times the 60. So step 1, the way you could think about it is this is going to be 9 times the ones place. So this is going to be 9 times 7. And what is 9 times 7? That is going to be 63. And so if you take 9 times 7 and you add that to 9 times 60, well, then you're going to get what 9 times 67 is. And so let's add all of this together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10. We can write a 0 there and regroup that 1. And then 100 plus 500 is 600. So that is 603. Or you might recognize 540 plus 63. 540 plus 60 is 600. Plus another 3 is 603. And we're done.